Too good. So happy, like I'm in heaven. Hi guys, it's Foodie Trucker here again. Same place I came as last time last year. A shout out to my subscribers, Matt, Dan Vicious, Dan Way, Omar, Kuyu, and if I forgot your names, the rest of you guys, thanks for watching all the time. So I'm trying it again. It's been a good 8-9 months, that's it, same taste.
Zeki yazıyor. Zeki.
Bit of lemon.
Evet.
Black pepper.
Tavuk.
I'm in heaven, guys. I'm in heaven. Look at that. Rice with a drip of oil, animal fat, into the sink, into the tub, in the well. So happy, like I'm in heaven. I've told you it's like 3-4 times I'm in heaven, but I love it. Look at that, I love it. Oh, too good.
18 yani. 4 kişilik.
Evet, 12 kişilik çorba.
12 kişilik çorba.
Evet.
Neden yaptın bu?
Just polished off the soup. 10 out of 10. Marvellous. I'll go for seconds later on. I'll try out the Tak Kebab again. See if it's the same. As you can see, the meat nice and tender. Bit of animal fat in there. And the bread dripped all over it. Lamb fat. That tastes good with the lamb fat dripping all over it. Oh, so tender. So tender. It just melts in your mouth, guys. Bit of black pepper over it. Look at that. The crisp, the animal fat, and the pure meat nicely cooked in that well. Can't believe it just melts. It melts in your mouth, non-stop. Non-stop. Look at that. All that there. Also shout out to Erkan and Harun. This is your bite, guys. I'm going to eat for you. Oh. Thanks guys. See you next time.